agenda. Agenda coming through from the heart of Kenya. Introducing
kifo kishindo. Yes sir, tutakufa hadi tutimize ndoto ndani ya Life Changes TV. Yes, na leo tumekuja Mr. Cross, asante sana kwa kutujoin. Tumekuja shule inaitwa Mwibale. Tulipigiwa simu all the way from Nairobi kuko na unrest, na sisi tukakuja tukasaidia vijana because they listen to us more. Why do they listen to us more? Because we are known and we know what we do. We have been doing this for 9 years. When we are big and we know what to do. So see, tutajichocha sana, but we believe God is with us. Na tukiingia pale tutaongelesha, and there is no strike that is happening in this school in Jesus name.
By the way, it's a special request from the principal, the best teachers and the kids.
Hatujichochi, tumebarikiwa, hatujichochi, tumebarikiwa, hatujichochi. Oya ametusoti